Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the macro pad is powered and connected to your PC. This ensures immediate communication. Next, flash or update the firmware so features and stability are current. This avoids odd behavior later. Once done, open the configuration tool and create a backup of the default key map. That backup protects you if changes break functionality. Make sure to note device model and firmware version so you can reproduce the exact environment if you need to revert. Now you design the key map. Pick primary layers and decide which keys use tap versus hold behavior so combinations feel natural. In the configurator, assign macros and shortcuts. Group related functions on one layer to reduce confusion. While assigning, explain why each macro saves time. One key can run multiple actions in sequence. Then use the simulator to test each assignment step by step. Iterate until timing and modifiers behave predictably across apps and contexts. Finally, flash the new key map to the macro pad and watch for LED or on-screen confirmation. That indicates a successful write. Test the pad in the actual software you'll use. Real-world testing catches edge cases the simulator missed. Then tweak delays and order for reliable execution. If a key misfires or nothing happens, try rerunning the flash, reloading your backup, and verifying the USB connection and drivers. These steps resolve most problems without deep dives into code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.